there, this is a quick video walkthrough of the Schoology app for students. So when you are on your iPad navigating around the Schoology app, of course, you're first going to open it up. And remember that our Schoology app is the icon on my screen that has the white background. That will take me to the app version of Schoology. If you prefer to use the browser Safari version of Schoology, you can choose the icon with the maroon background. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to click on the icon with the white background to take me to the app. When you first open your Schoology app, you will notice that it takes you to your news feed of all of the updates for all of your courses and groups that you are a member of. So you'll see updates from all of your teachers here and all of the group advisors here. So you can scroll through them. The most recent update will appear at the top. Now, if I want to get to a specific course to see just that course's updates and just that course's materials, I have two ways to do that through the app. I can either go at the very bottom, the middle icon is my course dashboard, and it will open up a little icon thumbnail for each of my courses. The other place I can go, and this gives me a lot of other options of places to go to, is the menu bar, which is the three horizontal lines in the upper left-hand corner. And if I open that up, I can go to my message center to message my teachers. I can see any notifications I have, any requests, and then down towards the middle of the list, you'll see courses and groups. So if I go into courses, I get to choose which course I want to focus on. And when I am in a course, this is what I see. So you'll notice I am specifically just in this course, and I have a couple of things going on here. This course took me immediately to the materials section of the course. Some of your courses, your landing page, the first page you'll see will be materials. For some courses, it'll be updates. It's up to your teacher's course settings which page you land on first, but for every course, you'll notice that on the left-hand side, I can go either to my Updates tab or my Materials tab. And in Materials, for all of your courses, this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like for Updates. Your Updates is where you will find every Monday morning the week at a glance for that course. So you'll have an update from each of your teachers by Monday morning of every week with what we're calling our WAG documents. These are weeks at a glance for every course, and this document has everything you need to know to be successful that week. It'll have all your Zoom links for your Monday meetings, your instructional blocks, and your office hours for each of your teachers. And it will have all of the learning materials and instructions and expectations and all the things you need to do that week for that course. So your updates is where you're going to come every Monday to get those Zoom links and join those sessions. It's also where you'll get that document that you can download, you can print it out, you can bookmark it, whatever you need to do for that week. So that's in the update section. In the material section, you'll notice in every one of your classes, you will have a week of folder that will contain all the materials for that week that are Schoology specific. So you might have assignments in there, assessments, discussions, whatever it might be that your teacher has put in there. And they'll communicate to you what's in there and what needs to be submitted back to Schoology. You'll also notice that for each course you have an upcoming tab, which will tell you for that course what's coming up. So you'll see in this course, I have two things coming up, one on the 3rd and one on the 4th, and I can see that in just swooping that over right there to see what is upcoming for that course. So that is the basic navigation for the Schoology app. And just a reminder, every teacher will be posting their week at a glance document link in their updates every week. So that's where you're going to go to find those for each of your classes. Thanks so much and good luck.